Wouldn't it be great if you could go to one place and look at amazing luxury properties from around the globe? Maybe you're looking for a place in Paris, or maybe you're looking for a place in San Antonio, Texas. Now you can go to one spot and look at beautiful luxury properties from around the world. Well, I'm going to show you where coming up next. Hi, everyone. I'm Dan Palamino from KW Big Island and the Hawaii team. Well, today I am going to show you the release of the new Keller Williams luxury site. And this comes from our corporate office in Austin, Texas. This is KW Luxury, and this is the launch of their new luxury site. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek here. You're going to see some really amazing photos right here on the homepage of places you might want to be next around the world or around the country. But two ways to start the navigation. You can either go up here and search for luxury properties, luxury insights, or luxury agents, or you can use any of these tiles. Most people are going to click on the property showcase here. You can use your current location. You can see that I've also been looking at a couple of areas. So let's click Waikoloa Beach. A lot of people are familiar with that area. And the first thing that you're going to notice when it loads up is over here on the right, it gives you a great map of Waikoloa Beach, and it shows you where these properties are. When you hover over it, it shows you exactly where it is here in Waikoloa Beach. And I'm happy to say that the first one up is my listing. The other thing is that there's 90 results. Everything from Keller Williams or a Keller Williams agent will be up at the top. And then as you go down, they will start to feature other brokerage firms. Ironically, this one for $25 million in Puako Beach, I actually sold that house in 2021 for $18 million, and it's back on the market for $25 million with a different brokerage firm, but I know it well. I've been in this house and showed this a couple of times, as well as this one. This is a new build, I should say, but I'm familiar with the Kekalani development. Anyway, great spot to search. You just put in wherever you want to be in this search spot here. Like if we went and said, oh, what's in Kona? What's luxury in Kona? Again, this first one that pops up happens to be my listing, and it's in Keauhou on Halua Road. And then there'll be all of the Keller Williams listings up front, and then brokers from other firms. But great little area it outlines here, so you can see where all the properties are in relation to each other. And again, you can go around the world, right? If we want to go Paris, there's a Paris, Texas. How about a Paris, France? Here we go. Paris, France. Wow. Yeah. 4.6 million euros for this place. Again, you can look for luxury property around the world from this, and that's what I love about this new luxury site. Let me show you this. Let's say we wanted to find a particular agent in a particular city, and if we type in this guy, we find me. And don't pay attention to the Inglewood, Colorado. That's just where I started out. But yes, you can find any agent in any city to help represent you. On the Luxury Insights, these are blogs that are written every month, and they're really great information. I mean, what's driving the market in July of 2025, where young billionaires are investing. So check it out. Great tool, great site, and you're going to see some wonderful pictures. And I think it's just a tremendous resource. So tell me how you like it. Down in the description here on the YouTube channel, we're going to give you a link to the new KW site, and you can surf around and enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. I have so many friends and realtors in so many different cities. I'm happy to give you a referral to one of them. And of course, if you need to do anything here on the Big Island, buy, sell, or invest, call me on my cell phone, 808-987-3306, 808-987-3306. or check us out at thehawaiiteam.com. Until we talk again, aloha.